Welcome to Chikmagaluru, the land of coffee. Hi friends, I am at Hirakoda Lake. This is the most beautiful lake in Chikmagaluru, and this is surrounded by hills. This lake is constructed to provide water supply to Chikmagaluru. Wow, what a cool place! I believe this is the right place to spend time with your family. Wow, the water is very cold over here. There is a Shivan temple over here near the lake bed. The birds tweet near the temple. I am at Channakesava temple in Belur. This temple is constructed during Hoysala period. It is 900 years old temple. It has more than 1,000 sculptures. The temple is designed in star shape to get more space for sculptures. This is the royal emblem of Hoysala dynasty. This is the prototype constructed before the main temple. This is Channakesava's footprint. The devotees may do offerings over here. Narasimha is the family god of Hoysala dynasty. This is a mythological creation with different combination of animals. These sculptures are carved in single stone and fitted to the corners. This is the dome in Navaranga Mandapa, which has lot of sculptures in it. It's my birthday today. I am at 1,000 years old Rama temple to get the blessings from the god. I'm worshipping the Rama foot with the flower. to circumambulate the temple. This is the actual part of temple, which is 1000 years old. This is the base of the temple, which is constructed using interlocking system. This temple has lot of beautiful sculptures. COVID tests have been done before entering Mullayanagiri Hills. We are headed towards the Mullayanagiri Peak. This is the temple located before reaching the Mullayanagiri Peak. We are heading towards the peak. I am so excited. It's a long way down. I am at 6,300 feet above the sea level. We have captured the festival moments of Mullappa Swami. We are at Mahatma Gandhi Park in Chikmagaluru. We have really enjoyed the toy train ride. I am at Panduranga Coffee Works. My mom is going to buy some coffee and some spices.
The ancestral blend, 82 years old ancestral blend.
How much
It's
is
a
chicory
unique
percentage?
coffee. This is 250 for half kilo.
No, how much is the chicory percentage?
This is 20% chicory.
20%.
Yeah, this is another blend. This is 85-15.
15.
15% of chicory. This is called as mocha pot. It's an Italian concept.
Okay.
This works with pressure. That's why the coffee will be more flavorful and aromatic. You should fill normal drinking water till the safety valve. Water should not go beyond this. This much of water should be filled. It's mandatory. This is the safety valve and it is not whistle. Just note that. Then you place this, fill the roasted and ground filter coffee in this. Not instant coffees.
Okay.
It is only for filter, roasted and ground filter coffees. यहाँ तक पानी भरना है, यहाँ तक powder भरना है. Then you lock the container, keep on the stove with lowest possible flame. Lower the flame, stronger will be your coffee. Within 4 or 5 minutes, lower part becomes like a pressure cooker. Water rushes to the coffee pot with high pressure, and extract comes up in this pipe.
Oh, okay.
यहाँ दो hole है tip में.
Oh, okay.
There are 2 holes at the tip of this pipe. The extract flows like fountain and gets collected in the upper container.
Oh, okay.
Within 5 or 6 minutes, the decoction gets collected in the upper container and you will get air bubbling sound at the tip of this pipe.
Oh, okay.
बुर 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 साउंड आएगा, मतलब नीचे का पानी खत्म हो गया.
Okay.
स्टोव बंद करके एक्सट्रैक्ट और एक बर्तन को उतार के 20% of this extract with 80% of boiling milk with sugar gives you perfect South Indian authentic filter coffee.
That's perfect. Okay. Thank you.
I am at Nammangadi to buy spices.